Hey guys, it is 6:30 in the morning. I don't know why I'm up, but chilling in the background, music. Okay, hold on. I gotta go. I don't know why I'm leaving my house. 6:30. Anyway, tomorrow's my birthday. So for my birthday, I got spider bites. Oh, wrong side. And yeah, I'm wearing my retainer. This is like the first time since last month. I hate this thing. So anyone out there who's watching this who wants to get lip rings and you have a retainer or braces, you can actually wear them. It doesn't infect it or bother it at all, which is weird. And then I got my industrial bar too for my birthday. And I got these for Christmas. They're Frankenstein gauges. They glow in the dark. I'm at 7/16 right now. I think my goal is to go to an inch, but I don't know. We'll see. Because I'm pretty sure that by the time I'm an old lady, I'll be able to fit like this tissue box or something bigger like that stereo. That stereo. I gotta go. I'll make another video later. Bye guys. That kind of hurt.